Yeah, we did the same thing in Spanish as well about 3 years ago now. And the great thing too about it is that now Populi, it's been a few years now, where there's localization, where you can now use, you can toggle back and forth between languages. So not only is your content in the language that you need, but also the whole interface. That's been amazing. So it's been really good because we needed that in order to really be a full-on Portuguese or Spanish program. And people can just toggle the little flag at the bottom, and now it switches the whole thing into that language. So the interface as well as the content is in the local language. So it's really helpful.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you about. So I know we've got schools that have set that up. I think you guys are probably one of the first to get really, to build that out to the full extent. And so when you're talking about the interface and then the course content, obviously you can write the course content. You guys are setting up your assignments, you're setting up your lessons and your lesson content. So all of that you translate as you go. And that's what you said, you've used your contacts in these other places to help develop that. Right. And then the localizations is through the account section of Populi. You can actually go in and translate the interface so that when a student would go to the left side of the course, and if it says assignments or it says lessons, you're talking about translating that into whatever language that you're trying to teach in.
Exactly. And that makes a world of a difference. That's what can really make you a legitimate program, an online program in that local language, right? So localization has been huge for us. Yeah.
That's great. Any lessons learned along the way there? I know you guys did a lot of initial translation. I think now we've used some of the work that you did and some of the work others have done to now, I think Spanish is built in. So if someone wants to go in and teach in Spanish, there's a default that they can enable. I think you guys were the ones that helped us with that.
Right. Yeah, we did both the Portuguese and the Spanish one. I don't recall if we started working on the Japanese one because that was going to be our third language, and we're still hoping to do it at some point. But yeah, those are set, and that's just amazing that we can do that. And obviously, even in Latin America, in Spanish, for example, you'll have different nuances on words, academic words that different countries use. So that having the ability to change those, to swap those out for your own, your own program is really cool as well. But knowing that, and we did that, when we did it with an international Spanish in mind. We thought, okay, we're not going to go with just an Argentinian Spanish or a Mexican Spanish, but what is the most commonly used word in all of Hispanic America, And so then we thought of it that way. So that was very important because Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese, that's normal. That's one country, but for Spanish, you're going to hit several different countries. So we had to think about that. So the Spanish you'll have there, arguably, would be the more international Spanish and words that most countries would understand and using academically. But there could be nuances or different ways you can do it. And my understanding is, at least when we started, you can individually maybe swap some of those out for you to make them a little bit more custom. You can correct me if I'm wrong, if that's, but we used to have that ability, and that was also pretty amazing.
Yeah, no, I think that's right. I mean, if a school wants to change out a word or tweak something for their own, you can take your own localization and make it your own. So if you feel like there's something that's going to work better for your situation, that's totally possible.
But we did all the heavy lifting for you guys, so yay.
Yeah, that's great, man. We appreciate it. So it's great. Other people appreciate it as well. And then the student, from their perspective, all they're doing is just selecting their localization for whatever language they want to see, and then that flips everything over.
Right. And that's just sweet. And some might prefer it in English, to be honest, depending where you're from. Some might say, I like to keep it in English. It makes more sense to me or whatever. Great. You have that option.
Yeah.